I found 3 Amazon gadgets that are actually worth buying. From a toy car speaker to a fan that feels like AC, these gadgets are seriously amazing. First one is this toy car Bluetooth speaker. At first glance, it looks like a stylish toy car, but it's actually a powerful wireless speaker. This gadget is perfect for people who love unique products. Just place it on your desk, shelf, or room setup, and it instantly grabs attention. You get clear stereo sound quality, Bluetooth connectivity, and support for USB, TF card, and FM radio. That means you can play music in multiple ways, however you like. It also has a rechargeable battery, so you can carry it anywhere and enjoy music without worrying about wires. Next is this powerful personal hand fan. Now, this is not a normal fan. It runs up to 13,000 RPM and gives super strong cooling air. The airflow is surprisingly powerful for such a compact gadget. It almost feels like carrying a mini AC in your hand. It comes with a 3600 mAh rechargeable battery that gives up to 10 hours backup, depending on speed settings. So whether you're traveling, sitting in office, doing makeup, shopping outdoors, or just feeling hot at home, this fan is extremely useful. It also has multiple speed controls, so you can adjust the airflow according to your need. And the best part, it's stylish, lightweight, and easy to carry in your bag. Especially in summer season, this gadget can be a lifesaver.
Last one is this portable blender. If you love juices, shakes, smoothies, or healthy drinks, this gadget is super useful. It comes with a rechargeable battery, so you don't need to keep it plugged in while using it. Just charge it once and use it anywhere you want. It also has a strong motor that can easily blend fruits and even crush ice. So whether you want a cold smoothie, protein shake, or fresh juice, it does the job quickly and smoothly. You can carry it to the gym, office, college, or while traveling because it's compact and lightweight. Just add your favorite fruits, some milk or water, press the button, and your drink is ready in seconds. It's perfect for busy people who want healthy drinks anytime without using a big blender at home. Which gadget did you like the most? All product links are in the description. Check them out now.